Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you all?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tina. What are we doing?
Ma'am, history extract based questions.
History extract based questions we were doing. Okay, class, what
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
decided, I have decided that I will not be sharing everything on the class group. Reason being, those who are attending the classes, let them only be benefited by what we are doing in the Zoom class. Because if I share it, the whole thing in the class groups, those who are not attending, they will also be at ease. They will feel that without attending, they are getting everything. So what is the point of attending the class, right? So those who are there in the class, they can take the screenshot while the screen is shared on the
Okay, ma'am.
in the meeting, right?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Huh.
Okay.
Chaliye.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll continue with those and
Okay, ma'am.
right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we do
Yes.
reading.
Reading of what, beta?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
chapter
the
second.
History.
History second chapter reading is not
Yes,
done.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Last
No,
topic is left.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
last topic is left.
No, ma'am. Fourth topic is left.
But the thing is that in the morning, if we are not doing these kind of brainstorming questions, it will create little boredom in the class. No, the ones who are attending, at least those who are there in the class, let them also have these questions, right? Did you read it on your own? Have you read that part, the portion that is left in the class reading?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
See,
No,
do one
ma'am.
thing, read at home and let me know what you have not understood, right?
Okay, ma'am.
That way it will be
Okay,
little
ma'am.
interesting, huh? That way it will be little interesting. Let me share the screen with you all. Okay, here it goes.
We will do worksheet.
Huh, we'll do that only. Or shall we start the new chapter of geography?
Ma'am, flow charts of
Subject.
physics. Ma'am, flow chart.
Flow charts.
Ma'am, flow
Flow
chart.
chart.
Right. Flowchart of
Ma'am,
civics.
worksheet.
Ma'am, civics chapter second flow charts.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So give me just a minute. Let me take the attendance and
Okay, ma'am.
I'll share the flowcharts, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many questions are there in that worksheet?
Yes. How many questions are left? I think yesterday, how many questions we did?
Ma'am, 96.
If 20.
Ma'am, 96.
96 we did.
Yes, ma'am.
96.
Orally.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
had
we have
written
done
also.
orally.
Ma'am, we had written also.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yesterday I shared it. Where is it? See, beta, in all, there are 151 questions in this worksheet,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So, we'll be doing it later on. right? Let me take that.
55 are left.
Ha. 96 we did, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Fine. This is C section. Huh? Abhay is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aiza?
Present, ma'am.
Kansha is not there. Then Ananya Singh? No. Apurva?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Radhe? Beta, do we have Harsh in the class? Do we have Harsh Tomar in the class? No. Right.
No, ma'am.
Ashray Sethi? Ashray Sethi?
Present, ma'am.
Beta, you are not regular to the class, Ashray.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Daksh?
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Ashray, why you are not regular? Batao?
Ma'am, because of 2 days back, ma'am, I was out of station.
Because of?
Ma'am, I was out of station 2 days back.
Just a second. What are you saying?
Ma'am, before holidays, I was gone out of station.
Beta, before holidays also you were not regular. Though you said that one day when you were there in the class, you said, ma'am, I'll be regular. Isn't it?
Yes,
Gargi? Harsh Tomar?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Himanshu?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Jay Gupta? Jay? Jigyasa?
Present, ma'am.
Jujhar?
Present, ma'am.
Kanika?
Present, ma'am.
Manish Singh? No, Manish is not there. Manthan Patel? Not there. Mohit Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Mohit Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Naina?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Jay is saying, ma'am, his mic is not working. So, ma'am, he's present.
Okay, fine, fine. And Naman? Yes, Naina is present. Naman? Pavni?
Present, ma'am.
Naman, you are also not regular, beta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Naman? Why you are not regular?
Actually, I was suffering from fever.
Okay, now you are perfectly all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Pranjal? Puneet?
Ma'am, Puneet present.
Okay. Pranjal is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raghav Raj? Samar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shivanshi, not there. Shaurya Shukla? Not there. Siddhant Yadav?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Even you are not regular. This is really not done. Srishti Gautam?
Present, ma'am.
Suti? Tina?
Present,
Ujjwal?
ma'am.
Okay, Tina is there. Ujjwal? Okay. Viresh? Viresh? Vibhanshu?
Ma'am, Viresh present.
Okay, Vibhanshu is also present. Yash Mehta?
Present, ma'am.
And is Rudransh Yadav there in the class? Rudransh again has not joined. Fine, it is okay. Right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kanika.
Ma'am, even Apurva is there in the class. Her mic is not working.
No, but she said present.
Ma'am, she told me that.
Because even yesterday also her mic was not working. So she texted me. It is fine. It is okay. Right. So we have to do the question answers, right?
Flowchart.
Yes.
Flow charts.
Acha, sorry, flow charts we have to do. Civics chapter 2.
Civics second chapter, federalism.
Yes, ma'am. Civics second chapter.
Okay, civics second chapter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gargi.
In chapter 4, there is only one flow chart.
Which chapter?
In chapter gender, religion, and caste.
Yes. No, there are 4 flow charts. I think I told you we'll be doing it later on.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we
You
did only
told
one
that
and
after
done
doing
only
the
one.
second chapter flowcharts.
I told you after doing the first one, we'll be doing the remaining for the 4th chapter. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I am sharing the screen with you. Okay. Is it clear?
Ma'am, it is not showing
Ma'am,
the
the screen
screen.
is not
Yes, ma'am.
shared.
Screen is not visible.
It is not shared.
That's correct.
Okay, so sorry. Wait a second. Now is it showing?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Do it and let me know if you are when you are done. So I'll share the third one. It are done?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, all have done?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, please wait.
I'm done.
Okay.
Ma'am, please wait.
Please wait for a second.
Okay.
Now last point is left.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, done.
Gargi?
I'm done.
I'm done.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, last 2 points of unit to go. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Beta, how many points done for this?
Ma'am, 6 are done.
5.
Okay, very good, very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
5.
4.
Fine, fine, it's okay, it's okay. Fine.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, what is financial autonomy?
What is? Financial
Financial autonomy.
revenue collection that was there. So the state and the central government, they have different revenue, this thing, no? So they are independent in the financial autonomy. They have complete control over the revenues that they take.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm done with the flow chart.
Done?
Yes, ma'am. Please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Lena?
I'm just the last point.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm. Yes, Himanshu. बोलो बेटा. This is the next one.
मैम दूसरा वाला भी बनाना है?
ये जो भी अब हमने स्क्रीन पे दिखाया हुआ है ये.
नहीं मैम, इसके नीचे फोर्थ वाला
जी बेटा.
मैम ये फोर्थ वाला 3 टायर्स ऑफ फेडरेशन.
हाँ, ये करना है.